In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your PCP, aka your primary care physician, on your insurance. Now, there are multiple ways that you're able to do this. So, if you do have the app for your insurance, you can go ahead and open that up, and then from there, you're able to go ahead and actually change your PCP from there. Now, you're able to go ahead and search for a new doctor and confirm. Changes can be instant or take effect the next day, depending on what type of plan you do have. So that is one way that you're able to do it. So if you are tech savvy, then all you need to do is you need to use your insurance app. Like, let's say, for example, you're using Anthem America. The app for that is Sydney Health. So you can go ahead and just open that up. And then from there, you should be good to go. And you can go ahead and change it. So that's one way that you're able to go ahead and do it. Now, another thing that you're able to do is you're able to call the number on your insurance card and tell them that you want to change your primary care doctor. Now, I know things can get a little bit intimidating, especially, if you are a young guy for the first time ever using insurance. I kind of had to go through this issue as well. So you need to go ahead and tell them, I want to change my primary care doctor. They're going to help you pick, and then you can go ahead and just switch it immediately. Now, if you are looking for someone specific, they might request that you provide like a code or something like that. So be sure to have that on standby. Sometimes they ask for it, sometimes they don't, but I just want to let you guys know so that you're not surprised when you do this. All right? And there are some important things to note. Some plans let you change PCP anytime, others limit how often. And then your new PCP must accept your plan and they must be open to new patients. And if you switch in the middle of the month, the change may start next month. So again, those are all important factors to keep in mind. And you always want to go ahead and call the number. In my opinion, that's like the most optimal way to do it. I know it can be a little bit frustrating, but the point is they still do help you. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.